If you are a gaming lover and would like to play Clash of Clans on your Android phone, we're going to see how I can download and install Clash of Clans on our Android mobile. If you're having Google Play Store, just open it. And after opening your Google Play Store, go to your search bar and type for Clash of Clans. I have already done that and tapping here for installation. Upon just tapping on Clash of Clans, it will show you the install option. Just go and tap on this install. Installation will take place based on your Android internet speed, and if your Android is so fast processing, this will be done in seconds, and you have to wait for that 312 MB to finish and install on your Android phone. Just wait for that 312 MB. The more internet speed will be making faster download of this 312 MB on your mobile, and thereafter it will be installing the Clash of Clans on your mobile straight away. After installation, this will show you to play by just tapping on a play button, and straight away upon entering into play, this will ask you and from which mail ID you would like to play, and just make it okay. Thereafter this Clash of Clans will be shown like this, and this will be loading, and it will ask you important notice. Clash of Clans is free to play, but you can't you can speed up progress with the in-app purchases. If you want, you can go and buy for the speedier version of Clash of Clans, or otherwise you can play it for a free option only. Just tap it OK. That's all. Thereafter this will show you, and a load will is load. That's all. Your Clash of Clans is ready for playing. See you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.